Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create sparkly skin on Dress to Impress. So for the legs I'm going to use this one and I'm going to color it the same as my skin tone, and you can either do silk or metallic or even foil, but I'm just going to do glitter. Then I'm going to select this and I'm going to make it cropped and I'm going to enable the turtleneck, color it the same as my skin tone, and I'm going to add glitter. You can see it, oh my god, but just a little bit. And then I'll do the same for the gloves as well, short fur, skin color, and glitter. And then I'm just going to put on some shoes, and that is it. As you can see, I'm a vampire that glows in the light. Where's the light? There it is. And that is how you can create glowing skin on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!